Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Michael's. Oh yes, Michael has some beautiful Easter decor out, so I want to briefly show you guys what they have. Stay tuned.
Just close my eyes, have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I.
Okay, so all of this beautiful garland, guys. The garland is 6 feet long, and it is $14.99 on all of them. So they have these right here with the bunny, carrots, mushroom. Oh, this one is so pretty. Pretty. And the eggs. Oh, yes. Quite fancy over here, huh? Well, I like it. We have this one. More bows. Looks kind of like a pom-pom. And it's different colors on the whole length. We have this one. This is really pretty here. And this one has bigger eggs and the little yellow pieces added to it. We have this one. This is nice over here, guys. Oh my goodness, I came in here to pick up some ink. And OMG, they didn't have the ink, but let me tell you, I ran up on this, so I had to stop and, take a little peek. So yes, all of those garlands, guys, 6 feet long, and they're $14.99. Okay, so over here they have beautiful plates and platters. Oh my goodness. Where do I start? So this one is $8.99. This cute little platter. It's $24.99. Oh yes. And look at these little paper rabbits. Aren't they cute? So this one is larger than the pink one. Okay, here they go right here. So this one is $5.99. The egg is $24.99. This is the small one here, and the larger one is $16.99. It comes in blue as well. Okay. I know this is out of place, but it is so adorable. This little wreath is $19.99. This paper placemats. Okay. You get 12 of these for $4.99. Table cover, $9.99. It is a 54 by 80. Nice. Cute little truck here, $5.99. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I walked in on something today, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, I haven't been here in a very long time, but I'm so glad I stopped by. So here is a LED crafting lights for $14.99. It is 5.6 feet long. Then they have this one. All of these are just so cute. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. So they starting with the baby. It is $4.99. And then the larger one. Oh yes. Creatology. These are plastic crafted eggs. You get 4. They're $4.99. Okay. Oh yes, nice. Cute pieces here. Oh my goodness, look at the little chicks here. Too cute. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. So this piece is $19.99. And look at this one. Oh my gosh, and those. Ooh-wee. This one is $19.99. Okay. Absolutely adorable. Look at this one. Well, well, drive your carrot. This one is $25. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this little princess here. She is too cute. 20. This one is $30. I'm gonna have to leave you for $30, boo, unless you're 40% off. Oh my goodness, you're cute, but not that cute. Yes. This one is $20. This cute little basket here. Michael's. Yes, we're at Michael's. This basket is $30. Even have these carrots down here for $25. They are huge. Oh yes. Beautiful ribbons. Oh my word, how gorgeous. For $10. Okay. So these are 10. Let's see about these. These are smaller here. These are $10 as well. Okay. Yes, and yes, $10. And I'm not mad at that price. $10 on all of these guys. Even the mesh. Beautiful. These spring bouquets, they're $5. Oh my goodness. If you all like Michael's, drop in the comment that yes, we want to see Michael's more often. Yes, that's beautiful. And while you're at it, go ahead and like the video. Oh yes. And subscribe, guys. If you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here. Okay, this beautiful wreath right here. It is $40. Ooh, how cute are these? These are $10. Beautiful initials. How fancy. Large glass candle holder. This one is $20. Ooh, look at this little tub. It is $60. Cute as can be right here, right? This one is $15. Oh my word. Look at this pillow. Ooh. $40, guys. Oh, they have these small tubs too. Well, how cute are these? This one is $20. And then they have this really small one here. Oh, this is a candle. $25. Wall decor piece. This one is $8. Oh, how sweet. This one is $17. Oh, look at the little... Are these purses? Oh my goodness. This is a small container. It looks like a purse. It is. This one is $25, the smaller one. Then they have this larger one right here. Let's see what this one is. This one costs $30. Beautiful wall piece here. Oh gosh, look at this rose. Ooh wee. This one is $25, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Ooh. Oh yes. Nice piece here for $13. This gold frame is everything, guys. Ooh, it's $20. Oh yes. Ooh. Nice. This little clock is $25. I'm just sitting down. Okay. Okay, so they have these. Okay, we've seen this rose here. So they have this one, which is a different, this one is more like a, some kind of hard material, but this one is really soft, almost like a foam, but it's not foam. But it's really soft. So this one piece is $15 here. Okay. Ooh, look at this mural. Isn't that pretty? It is $80, guys. Oh my goodness. Unique pieces here. Michael's. Okay, so this piece is $15. Yes. Oh yes, guys, we are fancy today. $25. Pick up your teacup and make sure you throw your pinky out because we are fancy right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it, guys. 15 for these. All of these are tabletop decor pieces. Oh yes. Oh, look at this. So this is a bird cage, you guys. I think that's what you call them. This one is $30 here. Nice. This is cute. Nice. Oh yes. $60 for this basket. Okay, here it goes. $60 for this one. Here, the letters, they are $30. Made out of like pearls, pearl beads. Cute, right? Whew. Bless this garden. $20. And oh, look at here. How cute. $13. So guys, so for what it's worth, Spring Decor Collection by Ashland, it is 40% off. Okay, so that, hey, okay. Now we're talking. 40% off. Oh yes. Great deal. This one is a flower shop. And they're just so cute. A windmill. All of these are $9.99. Ooh. I didn't see this, guys. Ooh. This one is $30. Okay, and then they have that one for the eggs. This one is $10. Oh my goodness, you know I got to find out the price on the egg tray. Okay. So the egg tray is $25. Oh yes. And remember the little bunny platter here? We seen that one earlier. Okay. Well, I like it, guys. I like it a lot. You all like this store? Leave a comment and let me know. Tablecloth. This one is $30. This is a 60 by 84. Then you have this beautiful, what is this, a runner? Yes, table runner for $20. The runner is a 14 by 72. And then you have these napkins. You get four for $17, 18 by 18. It matches that platter. Oh yes. This piece is $30. Okay. Yeah, guys, a lot of beautiful items in here, right? Oh my goodness, I am so glad I stopped by here today. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the content with others. Thank you all for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.